Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Project title is Large Scale Document Categorization with Fuzzy Clustering. Let's see the abstract. Data mining is the process of analyzing data from different perspectives and summarizing it into useful information. The actual data mining task is the automatic or semi-automatic analysis of large quantities of data to extract previously unknown. In general, text mining, which is also referred to as text data mining, roughly equivalent to the text analytics and refers to the process of deriving high-quality information from text. Typical text mining tasks include text categorization, text clustering, and the concept or entity extraction, prediction of granular taxonomies, sentiment analysis, document summarization, and entity revision modeling. Nowadays, document categorization is one of the key processes in text mining task while executing in an intuitive technique for automatic document categorization. Using the fuzzy membership to measure the degrees of belonging of objects with respect to the clusters, fuzzy clustering provides a natural way to capture the overlapping among the document clusters. Clustering the documents into coherent categories is a very useful and an important step for document processing and understanding. In order to consider both large scale and the high dimensionality into the problem formulation, we have to incorporate the document tailored fuzzy clustering into some schemes. The limitation of the fuzzy segments-based approaches for large document clustering are then investigated. Based on this, the proposed system incorporates each of hyperspherical fuzzy clustering and the fuzzy co-clustering with the three scalum schemes, respectively, which was sampling extension, single pass, and the divide ensemble. The results show that the superior effectiveness of the fuzzy co-clustering for handling high-dimensional data, which is maintained in these three scalable versions, and also demonstrate that the proposed approaches perform consistently better over existing ones in document categorization. Let's see the flow diagram. First, a large document dataset is given as the input. Then, from the input, we have to perform the pre-processing process. In this process, the stop words are removed and perform the stemming process. Then, the weight of each adjective term is calculated. It is done by calculating the TF-IDF, which is term frequency and inverse document frequency. After the calculation of weight, we have to perform the clustering process. According to the weight, the clustering is performed here. This clustering includes three schemes, which was sampling extension, single pass, and divide ensemble. Each performs a different clustering methods with the help of the weight of the adjective terms. Then these schemes give the output as the centroids and the number of clusters. Finally, the evaluation is processed by calculating the performance result. Now we are going to see the output demo. First, from the home page, we have to start our process. So according to our process, click the start button. So here the document details are given.
choose the file we have to process. So open the browse window and choose all files. Then click the view button to choose any one of the documents. So choose one file and perform pre-process. The selected file is c.text, so we have to load the stop words. All the stop words are loaded. So then we have to remove the process. After the stop words removed, then the TF-IDF calculation is started. For the calculation of TF, we have to process this button. The selected file TF is calculated and displayed here. Now we have to calculate the IDF and weight of the each adjective terms. Then we have to start the clustering process. In this clustering approach, the three schemes are present here. First, we have to process the sampling extension. In the sampling extension process, first get the subset of the entire document. Now the subset is created. Give the number of clusters that have to be created. So we have enter 2 and start clustering. The clusters are successfully created and displayed here. Cluster 1 and cluster 2. Then go to the next process. After the single pass clustering is performed, first we have to cluster for the document. So the document is clustered enough. Then the files are to be updated. So the additional files, the updated files are all added with this file. Then we have to calculate the centroid and process the reclustering. So the cluster is updated now. Here the cluster is updated with the new file also. So go to the next process. Here the divide and separate process have to be performed to get the number of files. So the files are present here. The process have to be started. So first we have to cluster the files. So all the files present in one separately clustered. So in the cluster one process we get the papers and the centroid is present here. So in cluster 2 process, the files are separated as here. Centroid for this clustering is this. So the overall weight for this cluster scheme is represented here. The final result is represented in graph in which you have the exponential calculation, single pause and the divide and separate process for different clustering scheme. Thanks for listening.